Did you know the loudest sound ever detected in space came from a distant galaxy cluster? It happened inside a gigantic galaxy cluster called the Perseus cluster. At its center lies a supermassive black hole inside the galaxy NGC 1275.
A huge eruption released energy equal to hundreds of millions of supernovas. The blast created a massive pressure wave traveling through hot gas for millions of light years. Space may look silent, but incredible cosmic events are constantly happening.